You searched how to buy shares of Smart Powerr Corp. Smart Powerr Corp is an energy technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker CREG, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker CREG to find the company. Select the result that matches Smart Powerr Corp to open the stock page. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it's the correct asset. Check the listing shows NASDAQ and ticker CREG before proceeding. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next trading session. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it there. For the link to eToro and more details, check the description below.